Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use GlassWire's device scanner to see connected devices, and this can work on Windows PC desktop version. GlassWire device scanner shows all devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi or LAN, device name, IP address, MAC address, device type, and first seen or last seen, and it helps you detect unknown devices, unauthorized users, and suspicious connection. So first, in order to open to the device scanner, you need to open to your GlassWire, and after that you can click onto this traffic monitor here, and you can click into this network scanner in the top over here and look for a scan or device scanner, and you can also click onto this auto scan. In order to do that, you need to upgrade to your GlassWire, and GlassWire will scan your local network and list all the connected devices. And if you do not see network tab, make sure you are using the Windows desktop version. And after scanning, you will see the device name, your iPhone, laptop, unknown devices, local IP, or your MAC addresses, and GlassWire tries to identify any of the phone, tablet, PC, or smart TV as well. And using GlassWire device scanner, it opens network scan, view all connected devices, identify unknown devices, enabling alert for new connection. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.